Hey guys, it's time to do some word talk. Let's go ahead and look at our first word. Let's tap out this word. Much. Much. How do we mark the word much? Raise your hand and tell your teacher how I should mark the word much. That's right. I mark the word much by underlining the digraph CH. Absolutely. Good job. I have a question for you though. What would be the opposite of much? If I would say, we don't have much snow, what does that mean? How much snow do we have then? If there's not much snow, that means we just have what? Who can raise their hand and tell their teacher what that would mean? What would that mean if I said we didn't have much snow? That's right. It would mean we have a little, like we don't have enough to keep us home from school because it's not going to be a snow day. So much means a lot of something. Okay. It typically means a lot of something. Let's look at our next word. Let's tap it out. Get your hands up. Ick. Thick. Raise your hand and tell your teacher, how should I mark this word? How do I mark the word thick? Looks like there's a lot going on in that word. How do I mark that? That's right. To mark the word thick, I'm going to underline the TH and the CK because they're both digraphs. They're both digraphs. Okay. Now I have a question for you. Thick. What's the opposite of thick? An antonym. Remember, antonym is opposite. Raise your hand and tell your teacher what the opposite of something thick is. So if the book's not thick, meaning it's a big fat book, what is it? It'd be a thin book. That's right. It'd be a thin book. Well, goodness. Okay, there's our next word. Let's check it out. Quick. Quick. And as we saw, we mark it by underlining the CK. What are those first two letters called? Somebody raise your hand. I can't remember for the life of me what they're called. Oh, that's right. They're called buddy letters. Thank you. Buddy letters is what we call it because in English, the Q doesn't go anywhere without the U. It always has to have the U behind it. Okay? Always. Who can give me a synonym, a word that means the same for quick? To say you're quick means that you're what? A synonym for quick. That's right. A synonym for quick would be fast. So if fast is a synonym, what's an antonym? Remember, antonym means opposite. What is an antonym for quick? That's right. Slow, like a sloth or a turtle. Absolutely. Good job. We have one more word to look at. Let's tap out our base word. Then we're going to add our suffix s. Ready? Job. Job. And then when we add our suffix s, job becomes jobs. What does the suffix s do to the word job? Somebody explain to me. When I make it go from job to jobs, how is that changing my word? How does that s change my word? Yeah, s shows more than one. We call that plural. So instead of just having one job, we have lots of jobs. Okay, lots of jobs. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we are going to read our words of the day. Remember, we can sound these out, but we want to learn them quickly. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 seconds, then I'll tell you the word. Fix. Try to beat me. Quit. Much. Shut. Thick. Quick. Miss. Fill. Call. Chill. Ham. And jobs. Hopefully, you beat me on all those words. If not, keep practicing.